Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you another cold start walk around video today. We've got a 1999 Ford F350 crew cab long bed dually 4-wheel drive 7.3 Powerstroke. Truck is leveled on 35-inch LT tires with front and rear ranch hand bumpers. It's the first year Super Duty 7.3. It's Lariat trim, leather interior, automatic trans. We're down here in downtown Kansas City. We are going to be cold starting it today, and let's go ahead and hop up in it. Give me just a sec here. We got some camera issues happening. Like I said, Lariat trim, leather's in great shape. There's no rips or tears. Super clean leather. Just kind of stick our heads in here. I'm dealing with some camera issues. We've got some new equipment, so we're trying to figure it out, so bear with us. Set of gauges in it. Pretty clean truck all around though. Anyways, 70 degrees out. We're going to cold start it today. We love these old 7.3 Powerstrokes. They're just workhorses. On the 99s, the miles are not digital, so we can see it's got 265,042 on the miles. As you can see over there, it's cold and cold. Truck fires right up. No check engine lights, no problems, no issues. It runs really great. It's just a stock. I don't think it's ever been chipped. I don't see any holes in the. Actually, I lie. Right there. Someone had a switch in there at some point. It's got an exhaust intake. I didn't get the tuner with it. It does have gauges, so yeah, that makes sense. It's probably been tuned at some point. I didn't get a tuner with it, and it's stock right now. So, set of glow shift gauges, trans. What do we got there? Motor, temp, PSI on boost, and fuel pressure. So 4 pillar gauges, all glow shifts, all seem to be working properly. Got cold AC, hot heat, CD player, 4-wheel drive, trailer brakes down low, passenger seat good shape as well, nice leather, back seat immaculate shape as well, clean leather, all season floor mats. Oh, camera's trying to keep up with us, hold on. But yeah, super clean truck all around. Overhead display does not work, just like most of these. You can have them sent off or replace them on eBay for like 50 bucks, but those electronics just go bad. Wasn't what Ford's best design. Tinted windows. As far as accessories go, all we did was level this truck out, put some 35s on it, and all the black headlights, tail lights, all that we always do, that is on there. Other than that, we didn't do much of this truck, but let's pop out and go around it, walk around it. It's got some miles, again, 265, so it's not perfect. Truck has a little bit of rust. It's not super rusty, but you know, it's been worked. There's some scratches in the paint, rock chips. 6637 cold air intake, pretty standard mod for a 7.3. Check it for blow by and see what we got. Hardly any. You can see a little faint. It's just steam, but no blow by, no pressure. You know, I didn't clean under the hood. I usually don't. This one's pretty dusty. Looks like there's lived some gravel on this truck at some point in its life, so. Paint, I don't know if you're really going to see it well in this photo, but the paint's a little faded on the hood. You're right here, you can see these white sunspots right here. A little paint fade. Got a Fab4 front bumper, tow hooks, Harley Davidson headlights that we retrofit in there. Wheels are Plasti Dip black, but they're stock Lariat wheels on brand new Dick Cepek Trail Countries 315 75 16s. Low range E 10-ply all-terrain tires, all 6 are brand new. We got a little dinger down here in the door from catching the fender at some point. You can see some scratches on the door here. I mean, it's a 99, guys. This truck is 21 years old. The 2020 models are out, so she's been around the block. There's no rust on the bottom here, but the cab corners have been rhino lined. It looks like someone replaced them or filled them at some point. I don't know, the bottoms aren't rusty though, the rockers aren't shot or anything, so not really sure what's going on there. Truck's got some rust though, but it isn't a rust bucket, so kind of it is what it is deal. Again, 21-year-old rig. Back seat, great condition leather. Doesn't look like it's ever been sat in. It's brand new in the back seat almost. Bed, got a gooseneck turnover ball down there. B&W hitch. Let's take a look at these bed rails. Bed rails got some rust. It's about your typical Midwest rust. I mean, it's not completely shot, but it ain't a Southern truck, so. Smoked LED third brake, smoked tail lights, ranch hand rear bumper as well. LED backup lights. It's got an AFE dual exhaust on there with black 4-inch to 5-inch tips. It sounds really nice. Let's get up on it so you can hear it. Not super loud, but very nice sounding dual exhaust system. Tailgate's got some scratches in it, light scratches and dings. I mean, it is what it is, guys. I want you to look at this video and see this. The paint's in good shape, it shines up, but it isn't perfect. You got scratches down here, some fading going on right here. A little scratch right there. You can see this dent right up here in the frame. We got some bed scratches right here. These dually fender flares always catch something coming out the garage or whatever. We did do the LED bed lights on it as well. All in all though, for 21 years old, it is a pretty clean truck. Super hard color combo to find, black on tan and a Lariat. I mean, heck, that rocker looks perfect. Or the cap corner, I don't know why someone, I mean, it probably had some rust or was repaired at some point. Nice and solid though. Well, a couple scratches down here. I mean, on the door right there's a little scratch. Right there's another little scratch. Pretty minuscule. I mean, what you'd expect on a truck this old. Clean doors. Guys, you know the deal. 816diesel.com. Any question you might be asking yourself, it's highly likely the answer can be found on my website. So head on over to 816diesel.com right now. VIN, HD pictures, everything you're gonna need's on there. Pricing, options, upgrades. It'll all be listed out there for you. If you got any questions, you can call the shop direct. 816-298-7030 is the phone number. That's our landline. Best to get a hold of me on my cell. My name's Cameron. Cell phone's 913-735-3748. Call or text anytime with any questions. If you want to come see it, do not hesitate to get a hold of me. Yeah, super cool truck, guys. I appreciate your time as always. I'm going to take her on a quick spin here and just get you a feel for this, how it rides out. But it rides really nice on these 35s, surprisingly. So, but I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I appreciate your time as always, and we'll be seeing you with the next one soon here. Oh, I was also going to let you hear this exhaust too. Truck sounds pretty good. But we're going to take her for a spin, do the pictures, and Come on down and see us in Kansas City, 816 Diesel. Thanks for your time, guys.